All right, I would like to go over the two main reasons why your CV powered Harley, after sitting for some time, may not be running or may not want to start. Okay? I haven't looked in this carb yet. I'm kind of just assuming this carb's bad because the bike was sitting, but there's a good chance that I ruined this video and this carb's not. The points that I'm talking about aren't bad. But first and foremost, I caught that by the way. First and foremost, I mean, you could check either one first. Well, all right, perfect. I know this carb. I know this has the issues I'm thinking of. All right, first and foremost, you want to check. First and foremost, you want to get the tool ready before you start filming a video. But yes, first and foremost, I'm going to check. Obviously, go through the whole carb and clean it since you have it apart. But the two main culprits in my experience with dealing with these carbs, first would be the pilot jet. That's the idle jet, pilot jet, slow jet, whatever you want to call it. That would be the one that's going to be giving you issues first, mainly because the hole in the pilot, idle, or slow jet is so small and clogs so easily. I don't know if you can see through it, but I sure can. Unless your idle is super low and it's just cold out, you know, this is your choke. When you pull it out and it runs, and it only runs with the choke out, and then you push the choke in, the bike dies. 9 times out of 10, your pilot jet is clogged. Okay, take care of that. Now, sure, we've all ran into this issue. So, you say you get your bike started. All right, every time you blip the throttle, the bike stumbles and you don't notice fuel coming out of here. All right, that's going to be your accelerator pump diaphragm. So we're going to go ahead and rip that off real quick. Again, I'm assuming this one's bad. Hopefully it's bad so I could show you what to look for in a bad one, but I'm also just assuming. Oh yeah, look at that guy, looking good, looking real healthy like. This being in this condition doesn't necessarily mean it won't pump. What you're looking for, I'll push it out with that. Just like that. This one's not necessarily torn. So a torn one will give you a lot of those issues I was talking about before. But this one is so old that this won't pump very well either. Okay? When you hit the throttle, this pushes down on this, right? Up, down, up. In here, pushes like so. That pushes on the pump. This one doesn't even have a spring. So, oh, never mind, it did. It's right here, sorry. So when it pushes down on the pump, that pump will suck in fuel there and pump it through there. Pretty much. With this being torn, if this was torn or dried and cracked, this one isn't dried, but this one's not going to be pumping so well. This one's real brittle and nasty. But yeah, with these torn, they won't squirt fuel. So if you have that issue where you go to blip your throttle and you maybe notice the bike start to stumble or nothing happen or it dies, look at this. If this ain't squirting fuel out, time to change one of these. Again, if you're suspecting one of these to be the issue, clean the whole carb. Don't just fix this and not fix that. Don't just clean that and not replace, or this has to replace. You ain't fixing this. But clean everything out. These don't have to be like complete. I mean, again, it depends how bad they are. Obviously, you've seen some bad ones. But like, take the jets out, clean them out. Run like get like a wire wheel. Run a wire wheel through. Get a tool. Get a brush. Clean all this out. You could even do a soak. Check to see if there's a diaphragm up here. Check to see if that thing's torn. Usually you could just do this. If you feel it like return and you hear that noise, it usually means it's not torn, but it wouldn't kill you to check. Clean everything out. You clean out your choke. Make sure this isn't broken or loose. That'll definitely give you issues as well. But your main issues on CV carbs are going to be obviously the jets being clogged like every other carb on the planet, and the accelerator pump diaphragm being cracked. Hope this helps.